Unboxing my DJI Osmo Action 6. Charan! It's charging! Yes, I got my DJI Action 6 camera from Alanis. Guys, it's cheaper there. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So yes, I'm vlogging because I got this new camera. It's not new. I mean, it's new, but I don't have any other camera. So, I got this camera for vlogging. Magiging vlogger na po kasi ako. Ini-inform ko lang kayo. Magiging vlogger na ako, guys. So, you have to follow me, okay? You have to subscribe, like, comment. Don't bash. No bashing. According to Madam Small. Yeah. So, I bought this camera para ma-capture ko ang aking mga daily capture. So, I can record my daily activities, a day in my life. Ang oily ko na. Yeah, I'm so oily. I did not yet take a bath. Not planning on washing my hair today because it's Friday, it's off. So, did not go out today. Not planning on going out. I'm doing nothing. Just Netflix and chill. Yeah, mag-wash up tayo later, pero wash up lang, no washing of hair. Kasi dito, summer na. Sobrang init ng tubig. So, hindi naman sobra, pero mainit. Kaya carry pa, for now. Carry pa yung water. So, yes. And, yeah, back to my camera. I bought this para mag-vlog. So, I can talk to myself. Actually, catching myself talking to the camera. Tama ba yun? If that's correct. Don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. And sorry. And also to record my life activities. My travels. Soon. Next. Whatever. But yes, I'm planning to use this on a daily basis. Wow. As if pwede sa work. No, my work doesn't allow me to do this. So, I will just use this on off days, on any other days. Not on my work because it's not allowed again. And, so yeah, madali ako ma-distract. And wala talagang content for this video. I'm just trying this camera. And the settings that I did, nanood lang ako ng mga TikTok videos about Action Camera 6. And I followed some of the vloggers' settings on what they do or how do they set up their cameras. Especially yung mga gusto ko yung output nila. And in fairness, parang madali naman siyang madali siyang makabis, what do you call this? Madali siyang magamay. Yeah. I guess. Madali siya. And I'm planning to buy sana Osmo Pocket Series, the 4. But one of my friends telling me not to get this because yung pag-flip ng screen niya, parang yun yata yung sakit niya. Pero meron naman ako napanood, matagal na daw sa kanya, like 3 years now, hindi naman daw niya naging problem yung pag-flip. Kasi dahan-dahan niyang ginagawa yung pag-flip ng screen niya. So, I guess nasa gumagamit din kung paano magtatagal yung camera. And since my camera is new, yeah, this is my camera. Welcome to my room. Magulo siya because I'm changing bedsheets now. Yes. I meant to vlog. So yeah, I did the first video kanina. I posted it on TikTok, but privately for myself only. Because walang kwenta yung mga sinasabi ko. Actually, kahit ngayon, parang wala namang kwenta. Anyways, yes, so ginagamay ko pang aking camera. And I'm still watching, learning how to be a vlogger. Ang arte. And I'm planning to speak in English, guys, so you can understand me, my international friends, subscribers, followers. Kapal. So yeah, maybe para everyone will understand me, what I'm saying, what this girl is saying, diba? So catch me up, guys. Wow, catch me up. And I don't know how to do the editing, so sorry if my videos will be just raw. Walang masyadong mga funny stuff. Yung madali lang i-edit, yung madali mga ad text lang, ganun lang yung mga kaya kong gawin. For now, maybe. Maybe soon, sana matutunan natin mag-edit or magkaroon tayo ng editor. Wow! Editor. Yeah, libre mangarap, guys. Maybe magkaroon tayo ng editor soon during just doing this vlogging thing. Maybe this is my thing. Vlogging, talking to myself. Sana magawa ko yun. I tried to do this using my phone before when we were still in Bing Mahmood. I went to Lulu. I tried to vlog there. But every time I put my camera up and then talk, I get too shy. Tapos, naglalakad ka sa grocery. Nakaka-amaze, nakakabilib yung mga nakakagawa ng ganon. Like JM, Marvin Samako, very funny. I find him very funny. Cute. Nakakatawa siya. Yes, those vloggers. And now, I'm hooked to Tim Laude and Olivia Banzon, his girlfriend. They're so cute together. And that's why I'm speaking in English, because of them. So, yeah. Anyways, this is my first vlog. Please watch, follow, like, and subscribe to my channel. My channel. Just subscribe, guys. And don't bash, okay? Don't comment anything bad. Kahit na open ang comments ko. I'm not open to any bad comments for now. Because why? Why would you say bad about me? You don't know me naman. Well, and to any other people, don't do or don't say bad things to other people. Just because you can, just because you want to say those bad things. If you're going to say bad things, don't say it na lang. Kasi you're gonna hurt people's feelings. So, might as well keep it in yourself na lang. Or sabihin mo na lang sa sarili mo. Huwag mo na i-comment. Kasi why? Wala rin namang magagawa yun. You're just gonna hurt other people. So, there's a lot of hate already happening around. Let's not add to it. Let's just be kind, good vibes lang, and let people do whatever they want. If they want to do vlogging, hindi naman magaling mag-vlog, nag-English, let them do it. Let them. It's what will make them happy. So, let them be happy as long as walang tinatapakang ibang tao. Wow, doon lang. Anyway, guys, ang haba na ng video. It's 8 minutes already. I don't think you will watch this. So, even if you'll not watch this, it's fine. I'm just doing this for myself naman. So, yeah. If you want to watch, then watch. Watch on your own risk. So, bye, guys.